Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now by opening Settings and going straight to Display because that's where the Screensaver controls live. Once in Display, tap Screensaver, some models label it Screensaver, and don't pause. This view shows active previews and the toggle. You're doing this to stop automatic image playback and save battery, and to prevent accidental wake events. Make sure your phone is unlocked and on Wi-Fi or mobile data isn't required. Once you see the Screensaver screen, you're ready for the next step. Now tap the Screensaver entry to expose options and previews. You'll often see a toggle at the top and a list of styles below. To stop it, flip the toggle to off or open the style list and pick None. That removes any active Screensaver immediately. Once done, watch the preview area. It should be blank. If an app is controlling the Screensaver, tap the app name and select None or Disable. This removes the active Screensaver and prevents it from launching automatically. Finish by locking and waking the device to confirm the Screensaver no longer appears. That verifies the change. If you still see content, check Always on Display under Lock Screen Settings or any third-party Screensaver app. Disable those too. If the Screensaver option is missing, update your system software, reboot the phone, or use Settings search for Screensaver. If problems persist, uninstall recent wallpaper apps or clear Settings cache. That usually restores the missing toggle.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.